But how can they live without a job after 65 years of our independence? The ruling class is far behind in getting these people out of this problem. We are making plans one after another, but what is the result after the first 5-year plan? The number of the registered unemployed people stood at 20 lakhs. After the second 5-year plan, it rose to 35 lakhs. After the third 5-year plan, it was more than 80 lakhs, and now it is 2 crores. This is the reality in spite of the ruling party's tall talks of socialist pattern of society, democratic socialism, and ultimately socialism and new economic program. The ruling party have been crying from the housetops about the so-called socialism in our country. The number of unemployed in the country has been increasing because their socialism is fake socialism, and it is to deceive the people only. They talk of socialism only because they know people love and like it. People believe that without socialism, unemployment problem cannot be solved. What is socialism? It is only the scientific socialism, which is the real socialism and which abolishes exploitation of man by man, which abolishes private property system in the economy, which takes the means of production in the hands of the state, and which guarantees the right to work. But in our socialism, the rich becomes richer and poor becomes poorer. This is really capitalism under the guise of socialism. This is fake socialism, and this is only to deceive the people. Can we claim of building socialism without making the right to work as a fundamental right? We cannot. In all the socialist countries, this right to work is guaranteed by the constitution as a fundamental right. I would like to quote the relevant articles from the constitution of a few socialist countries. Article 40 of the USSR Constitution says that the citizens of the USSR have the right to work, that is, to guaranteed employment and pay in accordance with the quantity and quality of their work, and not below the state established minimum, including the right to choose their trade or profession. Article 49 of the Constitution of China says citizens have the right to work. To ensure that citizens enjoy this right, the state provides employment in accordance with the principle of overall consideration and